So L is equal to 2 bracket opened m squared minus n squared bracket close all over 4 bracket opened m plus n bracket close. Let's simplify according to question 3ai. So L is equal to 2 bracket opened, and you can see that this one is a perfect example of difference of the squared, and so we can have m plus n bracket open bracket close bracket opened m minus n bracket close all over 4 bracket open m plus n bracket close. Alright, so m plus n, we'll do away with m plus n, then 2 into is of 1, and then 2 here, 4. So we're going to have L is equal to m minus n all over 2. And so it is a simplified version of the relation 2 open bracket m squared minus n squared bracket close all over 4 bracket open m plus n bracket close. Let's work out the I, which says find the value of L when m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. Let's use this session. And so we have the simplified version of or formed of L to be L equal to m minus n dividing 2. Alright, so let's put in the values. So L is equal to, now m is 2 minus n2 is 3 dividing 2. So you're going to have L is equal to 2 minus 3, you're going to have minus 1 over 2, and then our final answer will be L is equal to minus 1 over 2. And this is the value of L when m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. Let's move on to B and solve for 4 over 3x equal to 7 minus 3 all over x. And so the B we have 4 all over 3x equal to 7 minus 3 over x. Let's find the LCM, and that is going to be 3x. So we're going to multiply it through. So we're going to have 3x multiplying 4 over 3x. 4 over 3x equal to 7 times 3x. 7 times 3x minus 3 over x. 3 over x times 3x. Alright, so 3x, we do away with 3x, and then we're going to have 4 equal to 7 times 3x, going to give us 21x equal to x, we do away with x, and then 3 times 3 will give us, s would go with x, and then 3 times 3 will give us 9. And so let's try to group like terms here. We're going to have 4, let's use that side, and so grouping like terms, we're going to have 4 plus 9, let's write a bit clearer, plus 9 equal to 21x. So 4 plus 9 will give us 13 equal to 21x. Divide both sides by 21, here by 21, and then we have x is equal to 21 is equal to 13 over 21, and this is our value for x. Let's move on and tackle question 3c, which says a salesman get a commission of 5.5% of the value of item he sells. The salesman sells 12 textbooks at 25 Ghana cedis per book, 3 calculators at 50 cedis per calculator, and 8 packets of big pens at 50 cedis per packet. Calculate the salesman commission. Let's clean our board and work it out. And so C, the commission rate is 5.5%. All right, and items he sells are 12 textbooks at 25 Ghana cedis, and then 3 calculators at 50 Ghana cedis, 50 Ghana cedis, 50 Ghana cedis, and then 8 packets of big pen at 50 Ghana cedis. So let's work out and find the total sale. And so 12 times 25 will give us 300 cedis, and then 3 times 150 will give us 450 cedis. 450 cedis, and then 8 times 50. Oh, sorry, let's do the 12 times 25 will give us 300 cedis, and then 3 times 50 will give us 150 cedis, and then 8 times 50 will give us 400 cedis. And so the total sales will be equal to 300 plus 150 plus 400, and that is giving us 850 cedis. Now the rate for the commission is 5.5, which is the same as 5.5%. All right, so let's switch to the other end and then continue from there. All right, so 5.5 all over 100 times 850. So 5.5 over 100 will give us 0.055 times 850. And so this is going to give us 0.055 times 850, and that is giving us 46.75. And so the salesman commission is 46 Ghana cedis, 75 pesos. And that is it for question 3.